I really hope that this video finds you at the right time. And if you clicked on this today, there's a really important message that you need to hear before tomorrow. And if life has felt heavy or hectic or chaotic recently, you especially need to pay attention because this is what is happening and exactly what you need to know. Lately, things have left you feeling just overwhelmed or stuck, like you're constantly pushing against a wall, trying so hard, juggling endless to-do lists, feeling the weight of expectations, maybe your own, maybe others, and just feeling exhausted by it all. And if this is resonating with you and this is feeling like what's going on for you, this message is important. This isn't like my normal videos that I share. This one is meant for you to hear because there has been something that has been happening that you probably aren't even aware of, but today that changes. And really quickly, if you are new here, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Mary Kate, and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. Here on my channel, I make manifestation make sense without any of the unnecessary confusion. And my channel is all about manifestation, the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Now, let's get into this message because you really do need to hear this. And the reason that you're in this place is because you've been living under a set of standardized limits and rules and pressures that you never actually agreed to, expectations that you've internalized, or stories that were never really yours. And you might be sitting there wondering what I'm even talking about, but stay with me because this will blow your mind. Where do these feelings of limitation and overwhelm and struggle actually come from? Because they generally aren't imposed on us by external circumstances nearly as much as we think. This happened, now I feel this. It's not really how it works because everything only has the meaning that you attach to it. So more often than not, these feelings are actually the invisible bars of a cage that we've built ourselves, brick by brick, thought by thought, belief by limiting belief. I mean, how many times have you told yourself automatically without even questioning it, oh, I can't do that because I don't have enough time, money, skill, experience, confidence, or it's just too hard. Or maybe even, I can't afford that. It can only be done this way. I should be able to handle all of this on my own. Or maybe even, things like that don't happen for people like me. Have you ever caught yourself saying any or maybe all of these things as a default automatic response to something going on? Because if you have had it wrong this whole time, leading to this chaos and struggle and overwhelm. Because all of those statements that I just said, they aren't objective truths. You weren't born with them. They were picked up. They are simply beliefs that you chose to buy into, and they've become automatic over time. They are just simply stories. They are just simply perceptions. And they actually become these incredibly powerful limits when we accept them automatically without question. Where did these beliefs even start? It really started from when you were younger. The things that you were taught, the things that you were told, the things that you experienced shaped these default automatic beliefs. It formed and shaped who you are, how you operate, and what you believe. And every opinion and meaning that you hold shapes your reality because, again, everything really only has the meaning that you give to it. So recognizing this cage that you've built is actually the first step to unlocking the door to massive abundance and peace once and for all. So many of us operate under this illusion that the harder we push, the more we control, the more we force things, the better the outcome will be. And trust me when I say that I am a type A Virgo, so I kind of get that. It's kind of my default behavior to believe that success or achievement or even just getting through the day requires relentless effort or strategy or constant vigilance, trying to micromanage outcomes or trying to control the timing of everything. And what's the result from doing that? Usually it's more resistance, more frustration, more struggle. It's like trying to swim upstream against a powerful current. Yeah, you might make some progress, but it takes an enormous amount of energy and you're constantly fighting the natural flow. So I want you to think about a time that you tried really hard to make something happen, whether it was forcing something to happen by a certain date, or maybe forcing or pushing for a job that you weren't really aligned with, or trying to control a situation that was completely outside of your influence. How did it feel? Probably tense or stressful or draining. And did it even work out the way that you wanted? Because when you operate from this place, it disconnects you from your energy and from your intuition, where you're so busy managing the future or worrying about the past that you completely miss the beauty and potential of this present moment. And ironically, that often stops you from getting the things you want or the answers that you need, because operating from fear or stress or force puts you in this low vibrational state where your energy is constricted and your intuition is cloudy, and it makes you miss the path that is sometimes so clearly in front of you, where creative solutions and opportunities, they might be right in front of you, but you're so stuck in the past or the future that you can't even see it clearly. You can't see what's actually possible if you're only operating from what is or what has been. And this is a perpetuating cycle that you need to choose to step out of by being willing to look at and change your own beliefs, being willing to step out of that invisible cage that you've built with all of these things that you used to believe to be true, realizing all of that is just a perception based on past circumstances, and instead operate from ease. And if you haven't seen my video on how to access this vibration of ease, go ahead and watch that after this. I'm going to leave a link up here and I'll link it down below. I think that this video is life-changing, and it's going to help you manifest in a new way that you've likely never tried before. But operate from that ease, because ease is actually power. Ease is magnetic. And when you can be at ease and normalize what you want, that right there is when the magic happens. When the blocks begin to clear away and when the answers come flowing through. Those instinctive moments where all of a sudden you know exactly what to do and it seems so clear. Because you have so much power when you fully understand that everything is responding to you. How you think, feel, behave, and most importantly, what you believe. So tonight before bed, I want you to repeat this to yourself. 3 to 5 times right before you fall asleep. This is what you're going to repeat. My expectations are always exceeded. I always get what I want or better. My expectations are always exceeded. I always get what I want or better. And then tomorrow, I want you to live from and operate from that truth. Keep coming back to it, connect to it, feel it and believe it, and watch what shifts for you. Please leave me a comment below if this is resonating with you. I read through every single one and I love hearing from you and responding to you. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that it gave you a sense of peace and confidence and ease and clarity. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notifications so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com. And I will see you in the next one.